Hey friends, how you doing? And welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I came up with the idea of showing you guys all the steps to draw a teddy bear for this Valentine's Day. This drawing is super easy and super fast. So I really hope that you like this idea and this drawing. And if you recreate this drawing, you can tag me or send it to me on Instagram. My Instagram will be appearing right here. So you can send it through a private message or a DM. And that way I can upload it on a Insta story, a highlight, or you can tag me, as I said, directly from your Insta page to my page. And that way I can post it on Insta story, on a highlight, or even here on YouTube. So I really hope that you like this idea, and now let's go on to the video. Alright friends, so to begin with this teddy bear drawing, we'll start with an oval, and this would be its head. Now on the bottom part, we'll draw another oval to form our teddy bear's body. Then we continue with its arms, also making some half ovals, and on this side, we'll draw a circle at the end of the arm, and this will make its hand. For its legs, once again, draw two ovals, one on each side. So as you guys can see, we're using a lot of ovals and circles for this drawing. For its belly, we'll draw another oval, and for its ears, we'll make two circles, one on each side, and then draw another circle inside each circle to make the inside of the ears. Now for its face, we'll draw a rounded triangle and then two U's for its mouth. To continue with the eyes, we'll draw two kawaii eyes. So we'll need a circle, and within that circle, two more mini circles. Then add some eyelashes and repeat the same steps for the second eye. On the top part, write the word love using regular capital letters, and using the same pencil, outline each letter just like this. Then erase the inside or erase the regular capital letter. And then finally repeat the same steps for all the letters O, V, and E. And this way you'll end up with bubble letters. So just to give it a little bit more of a decor or detail, add an upside down heart under each letter. Then from each heart, draw a wiggly line that extends to its hand, and do the same thing for all of the letters. This way you'll end up with balloon letters. Right before finishing my drawing, I came up with the idea of erasing the kawaii eyes and drawing two ovals instead, just to see how the teddy bear would look. And honestly, I like it this way better. Once my drawing was completed, I took a black pen, and with this one, I started to outline these strokes, which I was actually going to use. In the end, since I still had the pencil strokes or traces, I took my eraser and erased all of the pencil traces. And here is a quick time lapse to give you guys an idea of how you guys can also color it in. Lastly, I came up with the idea of adding some highlight to my balloons, which in this case are the letters. So I took a whiteout and drew a line and a dot on every letter. I also made sure to have the highlight on the same side, so in this case the left side. Alright friends, and this was it for today's video and today's idea. I really hope that you liked the content, the idea. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of the following videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you on a following project. Bye guys!